Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to add a text post on your TikTok account. So TikTok add a new feature or new update is allowing to the users or to their to users adding a post text or text post to their accounts. So let's get started. First thing you want to do to get this feature or this new update, go to your Play Store if you have Play Store or App Store if you have iPhone. Go and search for TikTok like this, TikTok app. Then make sure if you have an update option here, click on it and wait until the updating finished. If you have a blue icon here, update, click on it. If you have open, it's nothing to do. Then what you're gonna do, you go to your TikTok app and open it like this. So as we say, you open your TikTok like this. Then when you open your TikTok, what you're gonna do next? You go to the plus icon down here. You click on it like this. Then it takes you to your camera or to your studio of your TikTok account. What you're gonna do or what you're gonna see when you go to this page, you see there text option. As you see, this is the text option. Now how to create or how to post a text on your TikTok account. You click on text like this. Then what you're gonna do, you go to type something you want. For example, welcome my friends. Like this. For example, you can change the color of your writing. You can add, for example, you change size of your style of your text as you want. Now you can add a sticker, for example, if you want to add a sticker or a poll or anything you want, for example, like this, as you see here. Now, for example, you want to post to feed or to save it as draft. You can also add the music as you see here at the top. You can choose the music you want to add, any music you want. You choose one and you add it like this, for example. Then when you finish, you can manage your privacy settings if you want to share it with your friend, just with your friends, or public. You can see it, everyone in the TikTok. When you finish, also you can add it to your story or you can post it to feed. When you finish, you click on post to feed, post to feed. Then it starts posting, as you see here, the percentage of your post. Now your post is finished, is posted with your everyone in the TikTok. Now if you want to delete this example post, click on the three dots, then click on delete like this. It will delete. So this is how to create or to post text on your TikTok account. I hope this video is helpful. Thanks for watching and see you next time.